Hey, dude, I need to show you this really cool thing in my basement. I swear. Just wait there. This lock always jams. Come on. Mike, what were you just doing in my basement?
Ah! Help me!
Shut up, you whore!
Why do you yell at me?
Hey guys, check out my new ride.
That's nothing.
Check out this.
Oh snap!
Stealthy ninja, stealthy ninja, stealthy, stealthy, stealthy ninja, stealthy ninja, stealthy ninja!
Hey Baraka? Hey, what's up? What you want? Oh no, forget that, dude. Guess what just happened? What? Sonya and Jax? Are you? Oh my freaking god! Not aiming!
Fatality.
Oh man,
Yeah. Cash Money Heroes. Private.
Wait.
Kill-tacular.
Mike, where are you?
I'm around this corner waiting for this guy, but you sound a little staticky on my end.
Yeah, I think I might be a little bit too far away.
Yeah, maybe.
Wait,
There's a guy around the corner. I'm going to get him.
Yeah, I hear a guy around this corner. Good luck with your guy.
Good luck with yours.